In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add products on Squarespace. So let's get started right away. So what you want to do is, go to a website you want to add the products to, and then just click on pages right there. From here on out, what you want to do is click on the plus icon and then add a store. So if you do that, you can select one of these two stores. I think this depends on the theme you have. So I'm just going to choose store 2, and then this will be added right there. I'm just gonna leave the name as it is right now. I'm gonna drag this at the bottom, so it will be under all this. Once you've done that, you can just click on the store, and currently, because of this theme, there are a couple products already added, but you can just delete them if you want to, and add your own. But basically, to add your own, click on this plus icon, and then you can choose a physical product. So a package must be shipped by the merchant, a digital product, so that you can download, a service, and a gift card. And you can choose one of these 4. I'm just going to choose the digital product for this tutorial. And once you've done that, you can add a product name, a description. You can add an image, the file, of course, because this is a digital product, so you have to add the file, the price, and if you want to have it on sale, you can change the sale price, organization, category. So you can add different categories and the tags and all this that you want to add. And basically, once you've done all that, you can just click on done, click save. Oh, and because this is a digital product, it says that I have to add a file. So let's add a really quick a picture, for example. So I'm now adding a really quick picture as the file, because it's a physical product. So now I can save it, and once you've saved it, you can see that it appears right there. So that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.